So how do we actually fix the Gamesir Tarantula Pro controller dongle not working? So the first thing I'm going to do is to insert the dongle into where I want to connect it to. So for example, my PC here, as you can see, once it's inserted, what I need to do is to just click on a certain button here on the dongle to be able to make it start blinking really fast. Now what you're going to do on your Tarantula Pro here is to find this button and click on that, on the home button and that button until you can see this light here run around. Now you need to put it into pairing mode by clicking on this button right here to make it run really fast here. And when it does so, it will eventually find the controller here. You can see now it has found the controller because this light stays consistent. You will probably also see here that your controller is connected. I'm just going to go into settings here real quick and I'm going to show you that it actually works. So you can see here, now it actually works. The only annoying thing is that you have to put it into pairing mode for it to work, so that's probably why it didn't work for you before. So that is basically exactly how you can actually fix this issue.